memory.
Oh, really? What shall we make?
Sister, I got idea. We'll make potato chips.
Okay, it's a good idea.
Can you make it that?
Yeah, I can make it. Let's go to the kitchen. And before watching this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment down below to JK Rockstars. Hey, we are right now in the kitchen. It is so simple to make the potato chips my mother has taught me. So, I have taken 3 potatoes and soaked it in the cold water. My brother will peel it. Can you peel it?
Yes.
Now, my brother has peeled the potatoes. And now I'll take the slicer and slice the potatoes in the cold water. Now I have peeled the potatoes. You can see. You have to remove the excess water from it. You are done. Let's light the stove. I have took a kadai and poured some oil in it. You can see. Keep it on a high flame. And I think the oil is very hot. I'll put the potato slices in the oil one by one. Salt and mirchi powder in it and I mixed it well. I'll break it on show. It is so crispy. Krishna, eat this one. How is it?
It's so nice.
Thank you. It's so yummy.
Thank you for this video.
I hope you also do chips like aloo chips. And thank you guys for watching.